We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with Qoocam. Qoocam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. Qoocam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing Qoocam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. Qoocam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, Qoocam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects.
Aqua Robot Man Nemo, an underwater drone, unveils the mystery of the underwater world to you. We adopt the innovative 4-duct QAS balance driving technology, allows you to freely conduct actions of various difficulties under the water. It hovers as you wish, and a wonderful panoramic view of the underwater world will be achieved. Look, it's that easy to break into the world of fish. With VR mode and a matching VR somatosensory package, which enables you to feel the exciting underwater world like you are just diving in the sea. Nemo adopts the camera with a high performance of 4K, 30 frames per second. Adjustable matrix fill light bring you the picture quality of Blockbuster. Real-time transmission enables you to follow your own bent on the shore, exploring the underwater world, sharing by one click. Fish would be tracked quietly, making it easy for you to go fishing. Search and rescue, ship detection, scientific exploration. It's always the best helper.
PiMecha, an uber-intelligent robot with a Raspberry Pi heart who is here to fill your life with tons of fun. PiMecha is an advanced humanoid robot based on Raspberry Pi and smart servo motors. It is super easy to program and play with. PiMecha is compatible with Pi 0, A, B, 2, 3, 3B, and 3B+. It has a huge range of precise motions that you can customize. All you need to do is access its easy-to-use software and enter the world of new-gen customized robotics. Like, if you want PiMecha to groove, just enter the command and he will impress you with his moves. You can customize PiMecha any way you like. Its Raspberry Pi core lets you connect a camera to it and make it a guarding bot. Connect sensors to it to make it intelligent. Give it a voice or put a cape on it and make it fly. It all depends on your creativity and imagination.
Introducing the next big thing in the world of wearable technology, Xenxo S-Ring, a revolutionary smart ring that has over 6 accessories packed into one sleek ring that stays wrapped around your finger. It comes with a built-in earpiece, microphones, ultra-low power microcontroller, and numerous state-of-the-art technologies. Xenxo stores your confidential files. Unlock the files by using the Touch ID on your mobile phone or the passcode even when you are away from it, and safely share and retrieve files. Even back up files from your smartphone to the device in real time. It's that simple. An infrared sensor detects the presence of the ring in your hand, so it can be activated only by authorization from your mobile. The safety of your files remains at your fingertips. Packed with motion control, the ring recognizes and interprets your gestures so you can enjoy complete control of your devices. Use the intelligent voice assistant to simply listen to the current time.
The current time is 10:30 p.m.
It's aligned with Siri and Google Assistant.
Siri, set the alarm for 6:30 in the morning.
Your alarm is set for 6:30 in the morning.
Confident, you know they envy you. Surround yourself, I can't get to you tonight.